Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English vocabulary lesson. I'm your guide, and over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore some essential English words, their meanings, pronunciations, and how to use them in sentences. This session is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to boost their vocabulary. Let's dive right in. First word, admire. That's A-D-M-I-R-E, pronounced chach demai-er. It's a verb that means to look at something or someone with a feeling of pleasure or respect. For example, I admire her courage for speaking in front of a large crowd. Here's another example. He admires the beautiful painting in the museum. Try this word out in a sentence later today. Next up, beneath, spelled B-E-N-E-A-T-H, pronounced beneath, Kenya. It's a preposition meaning under or below something. For example, the cat is hiding beneath the table. Another example, the treasure was buried beneath the old tree. It's a great word to describe position or location. Let's move to curious. That's C-U-R-I-O-U-S, pronounced slash K-Y-U-R-I-O-U-S slash. This adjective means eager to know or learn something. Example, she was curious about the new book her friend recommended. Another one, the curious child asked many questions during the science class. It's a word that shows a desire to explore or understand. Now the word delight, spelled D-E-L-I-G-H-T, pronounced delight. It's a noun or verb meaning great pleasure or to make someone happy. As a noun, the party was a delight for everyone. As a verb, the magician's tricks delighted the audience. This word adds a joyful tone to your sentences. Let's try effort. That's E-F-F-O-R-T, pronounced slash E-F-A-T slash. It's a noun meaning the use of energy to achieve something. For example, she put a lot of effort into finishing her project on time. Another, his effort in learning English is paying off. Use this word when talking about hard work or determination. Next is frequent, spelled F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-T, pronounced slash F-R-I-K-W-A-N-T, slash as an adjective. It means happening often. Example, he makes frequent visits to the library. Another, frequent rain made the roads slippery this week. There's also a verb form to frequent, meaning to visit a place often, like they frequent the local cafe. Now let's look at genuine. That's G-E-N-U-I-N-E, pronounced genuine. It's an adjective meaning real or sincere. For example, her smile was genuine and warmed everyone's hearts. Another, this is a genuine leather jacket, not a fake. It's a great word to describe authenticity. Moving on to humble, spelled H-U-M-B-L-E, pronounced slash H-M-B-L slash. This adjective means not proud or modest. Example, despite his success, he remains a humble person. Another, she gave a humble speech after receiving the award. It's a word that shows modesty or simplicity. Let's learn inspire. That's I-N-S-P-I-R-E, pronounced inspire. It's a verb meaning to encourage or motivate someone. For example, her story inspired me to chase my dreams. Another, great teachers inspire their students to learn. This is a powerful word for motivation. Next, journey, spelled J-O-U-R-N-E-Y, pronounced slash J-E-N-I slash. It's a noun meaning a trip or process of traveling. Example, their journey across Europe lasted 3 months. Another, learning a language is a rewarding journey. Use this word for physical or metaphorical travels. Now the word knowledge. That's K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, pronounced slash N-O-L-I-D-J slash. It's a noun meaning information or understanding gained through experience or study. For example, she has a lot of knowledge about history. Another, reading books increases your knowledge. This is a key word for learning. Let's try loyal, spelled L-O-Y-A-L, pronounced slash L-O-I-E-L slash. It's an adjective meaning faithful or devoted. Example, he is a loyal friend who always supports me. Another, the dog was loyal to its owner. This word is great for describing trust and commitment. Next up, motivate. That's M-O-T-I-V-A-T-E, pronounced as slash M-O-T-I-V-E-I-T slash. It's a verb meaning to give someone a reason to do something. For example, the coach's speech motivated the team to win. Another, she motivates her students to work hard. It's similar to inspire, but focuses on action. Now, opportunity, spelled opportunity, pronounced /opertunity/. It's a noun meaning a chance to do something. Example, this job is a great opportunity to grow. Another, don't miss the opportunity to learn something new. This word is all about possibilities. Finally, let's learn unique. That's unique, pronounced nik. It's an adjective meaning one of a kind or special. For example, her style is unique and stands out. Another, this restaurant offers a unique dining experience. Use this word to highlight something special. Let's quickly review: admire, beneath, curious, delight, effort, frequent, genuine, humble, inspire, journey, knowledge, loyal, motivate, opportunity, and unique. Try using these words in your conversations today. For example, you could say, I admire the effort you put into learning new vocabulary, and I hope this lesson inspires you to continue your journey. That's all for today's lesson. Practice these words, make sentences, and use them in real life. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye.